Hey guys, it's Carolyn from All Day I Dream About Food, and today we're going to have some fun. We are going to make a delicious keto dessert called cookie pizza. With a name like that, you can bet it appeals to kids. It also appeals to adults, and it's very easy to make too. So today with this recipe, we're going to try something a little different. We are actually going to be using the new powdered version of Boca Sweet. They recently came out with this and they asked me to give it a try, so we're going to try it. The first step is to make our giant chocolate cookie. We're going to start with 1 3/4 cups of finely blanched almond flour. We also use 1/3 cup of cocoa powder. In the crust itself, we're going to use the regular granulated Boca Sweet, and that's 1/3 cup of the sweetener, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and about 1/4 teaspoon salt. And we can just stir that together. Okay, then we can put in our egg, and I have 1 egg and 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now all you have to do is work your butter and your egg into the flour mixture until it starts holding together. Okay, so now you can see that I have a dough that really holds together. I can quite literally pick it up in one big ball. So now it's time to just roll it out into a nice big pizza-shaped cookie. I like to use a really big silicone mat, but you can use parchment paper too. And I'm just going to pat that into a rough circle, and you can cover it with a piece of parchment or waxed paper. And you're looking to roll it out to about 11-12 inches in diameter into a nice circle, as evenly as you can. And you can see it's got some rough edges, so I'm just going to go around and kind of make them a little cleaner, less cracked looking. And then I like to crimp the edge a little decoratively to make it look really nice when it comes out of the oven. And now this guy is ready to go in the oven. It's going to go in at 300 for about 30 minutes. You want it to be firm, but not too firm when it comes out. Okay guys, my crust is done. I've taken it out of the oven. It smells beautiful and chocolatey. And I'm just going to put it aside to cool for a little bit while I make the frosting. For the frosting, I have 4 ounces of cream cheese, and I'm going to take about 1/4 cup of the new Boca Sweet powdered sweetener. We're going to beat those together until they're smooth. Okay, this is pretty thick right now, so you want to add a little cream because you want it to be spreadable. It should be like a frosting. I usually add 2 to 3 tablespoons. I just kind of see how it goes as I put some in. And we're going to add a little bit of vanilla extract. I put in about 1/2 teaspoon. And we're just going to plop our frosting on there. And we're going to spread it not quite to the edges. You kind of want to have a little crust like you would on a real pizza. And you want to try to spread it as evenly as you can. It smells like an Oreo cookie. It smells beautiful with the chocolate and the cream cheese frosting, the thick frosting. Kind of smells like Oreo cookies. Not bad for keto, I'd say. Okay, now for the fun part, decorating your cookie pizza. I like to use berries. You could use nuts, you could use chocolate chips. You've got some options here, but I'm going to use some freshly sliced strawberries. And I've also got a few blueberries, and I'm just going to scatter those over as well. Because of the red, white, and blue theme I've got going on here, this would make a great dessert for the 4th of July. You could even put them in a flag pattern and it would look great. And we're going to top it off with a little chocolate sauce. I've taken a little bit of cream that I've warmed up, and I've added some sugar-free chocolate chips. And we're just going to stir that together until it makes a nice little chocolate ganache. And we'll drizzle it over. There you go, guys. We have a delicious keto dessert pizza. Chocolate cookie crust, cream cheese frosting, and whatever toppings you want to put on. So I do declare that the new powdered Boca Sweet is a success. It made great cream cheese frosting, and I'm excited to play with it more. For more great keto dessert recipes, check out All Day I Dream About Food.